Video editing software can be really expensive for school districts to purchase. And so one nice feature of YouTube is that it does have a very simple and basic video editor built into youtube.com. And so once we have some content uploaded into YouTube, we could start to modify it and make it look a little bit nicer. So where we need to start is we need to go to the upload button. By clicking on the upload button, you'll see that there is an area here where you can upload your files, but what I want to direct you to is the right side, all the way at the bottom, the pair of scissors there, it says Edit. By going here, we can work with any video clips that we have edited, and we can also work with video clips that are part of the Creative Commons. You can see my one video clip that I've uploaded to YouTube is already over here on the side, and up here, if I wanted to edit this, I can change the name of this project from My Edited Video to Catapult Project. Just kind of introducing you to the area we have here, this is where all of your video clips that you have uploaded will live. Down here is the area that you'll actually work in, and in order to start editing your video, you would need to drag your clip down here, and your video shows up. Now, when we have and clicked on a video clip, it's going to give us some different options here. So there's some nice quick fixes where it can automatically fix some things for us. You can change the brightness and contrast. I could even make this video slow motion if I wanted to. Or if I was holding the camera wrong, I could rotate the way that the video is set up. Over here I could also pan and zoom or work to stabilize it. I could apply some different filters to give my video an arty kind of look to it. I could add in or enable text on this video clip and also play around with the audio. There's a lot of background noise in this video, and if I wanted to not have it have any audio, I could simply slide it all the way down and there would be no audio on the clip. It would now be like a silent movie. I'm going to go ahead and put that back for right now.
This is the catapult that
you can see that these come up because the blue sides are on the side of that video clip. If I click off of it,
Hi Paul, this is
then you can see that that clip is not selected, but now I have this play bar here that I can move across my video. If I wanted to split my video right, let's say here, right after the graph into two separate video clips, I would just use the snipping tool by clicking on the scissors. The scissors will then split and make there be two sections of video. You can tell that when you're editing a YouTube video, YouTube automatically starts your video clip over a lot, and so be prepared for that. That's one of the features of having a free video editor. Now, I want to show you one other thing here. When you click on that video clip, you can see those blue bars are on the side. That means that it's selected. If I wanted to get rid of that "Hi Paul" at the beginning of my video clip, because this was a video that I made for a specific student, I could go in and I could drag just on the side, and you can see here in the timer that I've now moved up to 1 second. So I have taken off the first second of the video. So if I were to move the playhead back, it's now going to start
that your group made. It's called the Viking catapult.
After the Hi Paul. The Hi Paul is now no longer part of that video, which is kind of nice. If I click off of it, I'm going to go back and I'm going to get that play bar again. Remember that clicking on a clip will give you those side blue bars that allow you to edit, but if you click off of it, you're going to get that playhead happening. And if you click on the scissors, it will split the clip. Okay. One other awesome thing that I would like to show you is right up in here. There is a toolbar area that allows you to do some extra edits. It automatically is focused on the clips that you own, but we know that when students make video projects, it can be a very long time of having the students record their own video clips. So if you wanted to, And you could even assign students a project of making video clips that already exist. So you would take that time out of your classroom planning and introduce them to the Creative Commons library. By clicking on the CC, it will take you to the Creative Commons area. These are all videos that have the Creative Commons license, which means that they can be reused and modified. And so since this video is all about catapults, I can search the Creative Commons library by different topics. And you can see all of these different videos that are linked to catapults. So I am going to choose, let's see here, I think that I have viewed, and it's always important to view them because even though they are in the Creative Commons area, it might not be exactly what you are hoping for. So you can just click on a video clip. It's kind of a tongue twister there, and it will show up in the play area over here, and it will show you what that is all about. So we can see here that this looks like a demonstration of a very fancy catapult. And if that's one that I would want to use, then all I would need to do is take it and drag it down to my play area. If I wanted to put it in between, you can see that there is a blue bar area showing that. If I wanted to put it after, the blue box is highlighted there. I'm going to drop it right in between. And just like with my other ones, if I wanted to take a little bit of that time off, I can see that red area is the time that I am taking away from this video clip. So I want to take away about 4 seconds from the start of it, and it starts the catapult right away. I've now injected that video clip into my overall video project, which is a very nice add-on feature. Now you'll notice, wait a minute, where's the rest of my Creative Commons? That's because I have the clip selected and it has those blue bars on the side of it. If I click off anywhere else, I will now go back to that Creative Commons library. If I keep scrolling across here, I could add photos that I've taken for the project or that your students have taken from the project. You can select audio to add, and you can drag the audio down here if you wanted to add some songs to your videos. This one that looks like a bow tie here is kind of nice. It offers a transition, and so simply dragging those in between different clips will create a transition slide from one clip to the next. Let me show you how that looks.
Improvement in height from the different trials that they did with the original Viking catapult. However, it did taper off at the end.
And you can have some kind of fancy transitions between your video clips. The last tab here actually is represented by the letter A, and this allows you to drag and put a banner on the clip of your choice. So if I wanted to put a banner on this demo Creative Commons video that I found, it would show up at the very bottom. Over here on the side allows me to enter the text that I want to have displayed on here. I can change the banner color if I wanted to. I can choose the position of the text, change the height, the color of the font, and the font overall. When you are all done editing your video clip, you will click the Publish button. That will then export it out, and it will save the work that you have done and put all of those different clips, stitch them all together into one new video. It'll tell you sit tight, the edits will take a little bit of time, and when you go back to your video manager, you will actually see 2 different video clips now, the one that you just edited and your original. So I hope you learned a little something about using the YouTube editor. It's a great option for free editing, but do remember that it is a free product, and sometimes it'll have a little glitch now and then, but just bear with it. Usually it's a seamless edit.